Well, hello everyone, Dan Hurd Prospecting here. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. I hope to earn your subscription today. I am still here in the Arizona desert. Today, we're out prospecting in the middle of nowhere. I'm here with a camping couple. They're taking me to one of their favorite spots, and they say we're gonna find lots today. So wish us luck, and I hope you enjoy. So according to Frank, we're going up this road for about 5 miles. Yes, we're in the States, we work in miles here. We're going up about 5 miles, I think, into those hills and seeing what we can find. So wandering aimlessly off into the distance is Frank. Frank, say hi! And right over here we have Kindle. Woohoo! And if you're not familiar with Frank and Kindle, it's that camping couple. Check them out on YouTube, absolutely. They have brought me out into the Arizona desert to shoot and bury me. They have brought me to a spot with fire agate, real fire agate, not the stuff I did in my fire agate video a long time ago. This is the real stuff. We're out here looking for fire agate, and I'll show you the first piece I find. So there is no lack at all of common white agate here. It's everywhere you look. But what we're looking for is a deep amber agate that actually shows a really neat play of colors inside the agate. That's the fire agate. The fire is the play of colors inside of it. Agate everywhere. I see a wash. Let's walk up this wash. Now this one's looking better. It's showing the deeper amber, kind of glassy, bubbly on the surface, but I'm not seeing any play of color in it. I will put that in my bag. We'll get it wet a bit later and have a better look at it. But that's kind of what we're looking for. And here's a little bit of a geode. It was hollow at one point. Nice looking surface inside. Really neat plume agate around the outside edge. Not the fire we're looking for though. Ooh, looks like Kindle may have just found one.
Woo! It's got good
So what we're looking for is that deep, deep amber.
And those
almost
petroidal,
red.
yeah.
Yeah, some other pieces of it down here.
Pretty.
Yeah, that's a good one. No fire though.
We'll find it.
Yay.
No fire yet. Check out that little agate. Little agate. That freaking huge agate. Nice. And here's a bunch of the agate still stuck in the bedrock. I'm in the bottom of a wash right now, just walking on the bedrock that's been washed free. You can see all the agate still in host. And when the host rock wears away, it drops them out as great little agates. That one there, this other one, may have some fire in it. Need to get the water though. Found one that's got what Frank is calling crackle on the surface. Let's get the close up on that and show you. Oh, they're happy. They're happy about this one. I zoomed in with a close-up camera and got some good shot, and they're saying that that is the fire, not just the crackle on the surface.
Yeah, that's
Good
got
green.
the green. It's not a big broad flash. It's just little bitty bubbles of greens and oranges and reds.
Excellent.
Woo!
Pretty.
First piece of the day. Good job.
Yeah, that is.
This wash is just loaded with great stuff. It'll just be a matter of time before we find that perfect piece in here. So the trick when you get down looking for these agates is you're looking for the glassy ones, glassy, like that, but you're looking for the dark glassy ones, the ones that are really red or amber. Those are the ones that apparently have the good fire. And if you can find some with the real good bubbles on top, that's when you've got it. Uh-oh, Frank's about to run us over. Ooh, we got some fire.
You won't, I don't think it'll show up.
Oh.
It's like a olive color almost, not a very good color.
How cute. I'm having so much fun out here. I love hunting for agate, especially like this where you can just walk around, you know, bending down, flipping over rocks, picking them up. No hard, you know, digging or picking or hammering. This is the life. I thought I saw one, now I've lost it. It was right here somewhere. Ooh, maybe that was what I saw? Nope. Oh, maybe that's what I saw. Oh yeah, potential. Let's look it. I don't think Frank peed over here. Did you, Frank?
Yep.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, what have I found here? This is looking good. There's something inside glowing back at me. Not much though. What do you think, Frank?
I don't think it's fire.
Nope, I don't think so either. There we are. I'm seeing some red flash back at me in there. Get out in the sun. Look at the flash. Fire agate. I am on it. There's another one with flash of fire. That's two within about a foot. Nice. That's what we're looking for right there. It's a small one though. Okay, Frank says he's taking us to the good spot now.
Hopefully, not hopefully, it's for sure a better spot.
Okay, Frank and Kendall brought me to the good stuff now. They just wanted me to waste a bunch of time to start with. And now we're getting, you know, really nice red.
Nice red. Pretty.
That's a pretty one. There's a good one.
Oh, what's this? Oh, it's just like,
oh, that's
like
good
Christmas.
one. That's a good one.
That's amazing.
Yeah, get that one. That's gonna have some fire.
It reminds me of blackberries.
That's a really good color. Ooh, there's another one too.
Now we're on it. I might as well get a close up for that one.
That's a pretty one.
There's looking good. Yeah, that's got some fire in it. Oh, look at. Oh, baby, look at the pattern. Look at the banding. That's a nice one. Frank has something to show me.
I'll let you get it on camera and then we'll spray it.
Very
You
nice.
see it.
Very nice. Sure, spray it.
Is it gonna show up?
I'm not seeing it. I'll spray this one too while you're at it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ooh, nice.
So,
Pretty.
but it'll be a good one polished.
That's beauty. I see something looking really interesting right here. Look at that guy. Oh, great color. And I see the fire from here, from way back. What you doing, Frank? Oh. You know that's making the video.
Where's the fire?
Is that red down there?
Ooh, it
is.
is.
That is bright red coming through.
Yep, you've got it. And there's green underneath too. You just gotta clean it up.
Oh, and I see something on the end too. I just saw a flash right in the middle.
You've got multiple layers of fire. That's a good one. You just
Hey, I think that's the best of the day for me.
For you. I think it might be the best.
Wow.
The problem is with these, there's
it's
lots
just
of layers.
flashing through.
Yeah. Lots of layers
Nice.
on top of it.
Good one.
Okay, Frank, you pick up this one. Right there.
Ooh. Oh, it's big.
It's big. I can see it flashing. In the ground, I can see it flashing. There was a red flash. Something right on top there. Maybe, maybe not.
Yep, it does. It has green and red. Little bubbles.
Sometimes I could be a jerk. Okay, most of the times I could be a jerk.
No, I love it. Yeah, that's gonna have it. I think it's on the outside, so it's not gonna be polishable.
We are definitely finding more of the appropriate material on this side. I say this side because where we were hunting before is on the other side of that little knoll right there. But Frank told me this side would be better, and he was right. Ooh, nice druzy. Crystals.
Man, that's a pretty one. You found some good
There's some color in this one. I see an amazing one up there, but first I have to check this one out. It's maybe okay, but that. And I think there's two of them side by side. Wow. And wow. baby. Check her out, Frankie.
I'm not sure about that one, but that one looks like it should. I don't see it, but I'm pretty sure.
Party pooper.
I'm pretty sure it will.
These gopher holes, ground squirrels, marmots, whatever they are, kick up lots of agates. And, you know, something lives down there. But that's a nice looking one. That's a nice looking one. Look at the... Ah! I'm not reaching down for it. There's one in there. It had a nice bubble on top too. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Great looking pieces all over the ground here. Absolutely. Need bigger pockets. Frank says for sure there's fire in that bubble. And then on the back side, he saw something on one of these ends as well. Great looking, you know, banding on this. Then you flip up the top and there's fire like mad in that top piece. Mad old fire. And out here in the Arizona desert, it's not just the wildlife you have to be careful of. The plants themselves bite. And you said up here that there's nasty black widows in the summertime?
Black widows and rattlesnakes.
I'm glad I'm here in the winter.
Everything tries to get you here.
Great little geode. Broken open, popping out here. Beautiful agate on that. That'll end up in one of my agate bags, I think. Fire agates. This one's looking good. Oh, and I see more on this pile too. Look at how deep the red is, and nice and clear. Another good one right there. Frank's on his way over to look at this, so I'm not gonna disturb it until he gets here. Look at the deep red on it.
Oh, it's even bigger. Should I do it?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the fire right off the bat. You see it? All that's fire.
All that's, and then it's fire.
Yeah,
okay.
all of it is.
I was looking for something slightly different. I think that's what my problem was. I was looking for more of like an opal fire.
You know, it does when it's polished up, but when it's weathered and it's not real, once you polish down to the layer, it'll fire up a little better.
That's a nice piece.
Yep. This one has a little bit more of that color you're looking for. Right in here, it's really bright.
Yep. Yeah, I see it. Definitely. Let's get close up. There it is. There's the fire in this one. Darkest red piece I've found so far. Probably the brightest fire too. Have to head back to the quad and unload the pockets. My pockets are too full. As I bend over, things are falling out. There's good stuff down here. Ooh. Ooh, baby.
You won't make it back, will you?
Nope. And definitely don't pick up those rocks. No. I like it. There's some crackle on the surface of that one. It needs to be wet to really see it. It's too windy and dry out here. Water evaporates in seconds. There's a really nice flash of green in that one. Real nice fire. Kendall, come here, come here. Check this one out.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, I love it.
I'm not sure if it's gonna have any fire in it, but it's a beautiful looking specimen.
Yeah, that's a good find. I'll go grab the water.
Another one right beside it. Here she comes with water.
Ooh, that's gorgeous.
Oh, look at the green band right there.
Oh wow, I see what you're.
Yeah, I think it's more of like a
at,
crack
yeah.
that's reflecting light inside.
Yeah, it's
but
beautiful.
What about right
like
up on top of there too?
the banding going through it. It's a beaut.
Those are two nice pieces. Well, that's a nice piece.
Yeah.
Woo!
Woo! Good job. Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Oh, I need the close up on that one. I know we're looking for fire agates, but I have a hard time not picking up all these great botryoidal agates that are out here with no fire. They're just amazing looking things. Again, I'm gonna be going home on a plane with 1,000,000 pounds of rock. Typical for me. Great looking fire on this one. This is looking like a nice piece. A couple of them actually. Ooh, that one might be too. This guy. rock hunting is so rewarding. Oh, Frank's trying to drive me over. Run me over. Look at that. That one will have fire in it. I can see it before I even get it wet. Got another nice one. Okay, we got the water bottle here.
Woo, I can see it from here, the green.
Yep, really nice spot of green right over there with my thumb. Oh, it's just everywhere there though. Everywhere on it. It's a drone in the sun. This is kind of funny. Now that we're on the good spot, I'm walking over hundreds of them that I would have picked up earlier in the day. And now I'm just looking for the good ones and leaving the not so good ones. They're everywhere over here. And another one right there. You can see from a distance the fire.
It's got fire?
It should. It's
That right at the top, right at the top there.
Love the blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a good combo.
And underneath that blue is going to be beautiful, fiery red, because you can see the blue is just a coating on the surface. That's a look at the fire up in that top there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's under a few layers, but it's there. Oh, whoop-de-doo. Here, thank you.
I'm on the fire. Nice fire. Beautiful fire all through this one. So with such bright sun out here, I'm not sure if the close-up camera was doing those agates justice. If not, I'll take them back and get some real good shots and leave it right here. But I think I got good shots in the field. If you haven't checked out That Camping Couple, they make amazing content. Check them out on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, wherever. All those social media things. They're amazing. And thank you guys so much for showing me around and taking me out here today.
It was so fun.
Our pleasure.
I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave me that thumbs up. If I haven't earned your subscription yet, I hope I earned your subscription today. And a big thanks to everyone for watching, especially my patrons. Because of the support of my patrons, I get to make weekly episodes of Dan Hurd Prospecting. Hope you're all having a great day. And until the next one, bye.